Hey guys, Chino here with Iza, and I'm back with another makeup review. And today I'm reviewing the Kiss Me from LiveGlam Lippies. So I'm super excited because I got my April shipment, yay! And it's the Social Butterfly edition. So I'm super excited to try these on for you guys and see, you know, how the colors look. I'm like in love with the LiveGlam Kiss Me Lippies because they're super beautiful. The colors are always like nice, so I'm sure I'm gonna love these too because the last batch I loved. So this is for April, and if you guys are watching this like, you know, later on, you guys are probably not gonna be getting these because this is for the April edition. So every month they have like a new batch. So this is for April, and they came out with, well, I received Soft Mist, Poppy, and Butterfly. So let's get started, and I'm gonna try these on for you guys because I'm super excited and they look freaking awesome. So let me show you. So for their April edition, the theme is spring is in the air, and these lippies will have you feeling as fresh as a daisy after a long winter. Live life in full glam with these fun spring shades that will last throughout those April showers. Before you head out to enjoy this season, visit your dashboard at liveglam.com to tell us how you feel about these lippies. Your favorite, okay, blah blah blah. So anyways guys, keep in mind that again, if you guys are not a member, or if you want to become a member and you guys try to become a member after April, you guys are not going to get these colors, but this is the April edition. All right, and you also get a free lippy when you sign up. The last time I did a review on them, I know that their membership was, I don't know if they weren't taking any more people or it was on hold or something, but you get a free lippy when you sign up with the membership, okay? So you always get 3 lippies like these. So you get 3 of these, and then if you sign up and you use the promo code OCKLY, which I'll link it down below, you guys get a one for free when you sign up. So a really good deal, guys. So let's start, and I'm gonna show you what these babies look like. And I really love how they come in a little silky bag like this. Super cute, right? You can just keep them in there. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to start off with the Soft Mist, and this is a metallic soft nude. It will have you glistening like morning dew. Nothing will be able to stop you shine, especially when your lips catch that light. So this is the Soft Mist. And so it's a really nice color. So let's see. I'm gonna put this on. This is like a nice copper color. Now let me get my brush. So I'm going to apply the Soft Mist. Okay, and I like a quick disclaimer. I do want to mention that I received these products complimentary from LiveGlam. And this is a nice metallic color, and I like that they, you know, just glide on. I'm not using the applicator, so I'm using my own brush, and they're like really velvety and smooth. So there's the soft mist. It's a nice copper color, and I like it because like I feel like my lips are moisturized, so it doesn't feel like they're dry, and that's why I like Kiss Me. So pretty, right? Now we gotta take a picture for Instagram. Let's see. All right, so now let's move on. So the next color we're gonna try is Poppy, which is this one. And is a nice red. So let's try this one. And this one, I love how they all have like a little description on it. Like, it's so cute. Get a spring in your step wearing this pop-up pinky coral. That matte shade will have you looking as gorgeous as fresh flowers, and a delicious scent will make everyone wanna stop and smell the Lippies. Wait, hold on. It has a scent? Let's see. Oh my god, it does. I think it smells like chocolate? I don't know, it smells like a pastry. It smells really good, guys. Alright, so let's try Poppy. Okay, I can't line my lips today. I hate that. Okay, I guess that'll do. I like this color. What do you guys think? I love it. And it goes on matte, but it doesn't feel like my lips are dry. So again, guys, it's very moisturizing, even though, you know, it goes on matte. I really like this color. I love Poppy. Now let's go on to the next color. Okay guys, so we're going to move on to the next one, which is the last lippy from April's collection, and it's Butterfly, and you'll feel like a social butterfly and queen bee in this mesmerizing satin fuchsia shade. This color will transform those lips into a beautiful palette. So I'm excited to try this one out because it looks so pretty. It's metallic, and this is Butterfly. Look at how pretty it looks. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So let's see, this color. I'm excited. Okay, seriously, cannot line my lips today. Oh, so annoying. Okay, this is like overboard. You see that? Better. And I'm taking forever and it's drying out. Okay. Trying to fix it. Okay, I think that's good enough. Yes. This is what I get when I use the applicator. But this is Butterfly. I love this color. It's so pretty. I love the metallic. So let me know what you guys think. Which one is your favorite? If you liked Soft Mist, Poppy, or Butterfly. I like Butterfly. Actually, I like Poppy too. I think I would actually mix the Soft Mist with Poppy and see how that looks. But yeah, I mean, I love all three, and these are the April collection. So if you guys are a member, you guys are gonna get, you know, some of these colors. If not, then you gotta wait for the next batch. Make sure you use that promo code. I'll link it down below. Let me know what you guys think, and if you guys are enjoying these makeup reviews, and make sure to share this video out, hit the like button, and leave me a comment down below, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.